Dear students, I am J.A.Rizayev, a teacher of Biochemistry Department of Samarkand State Medical University. Today's our topic is digestion of proteins, common pathways of amino acid metabolism. Issues considered: digestion, absorption, and putrefaction of proteins. The fate of absorbed amino acids, common pathways of amino acid catabolism, deamination of amino acids, direct and indirect oxidative deamination, transamination of amino acids, transaminases, coenzyme function of vitamin B6. Clinical significance of determining the activity of ALT and AST. The value of amino acids for the body, proteins and peptides of the body are synthesized from AA. From AA, a large number of substances of a peptide nature are formed that perform specific functions. These include nucleotides, choline, taurine, amines, heme, thyroxine, and etc. Energy source up to 15 of the daily intake of the body is satisfied by proteins. The font of free AN in the body is 30 grams. The content of AA in the blood is 35-65 mg/dl. The vast majority of the body's AA is part of proteins. The body of an adult contains about 15 kg of proteins. The sources of free AN in the body are food proteins, proteins of its own tissues, as well as the synthesis of AA from carbohydrates. In the human body, about 400 grams of proteins are broken down daily into AA. However, the same amount of proteins is synthesized per day. AS in the composition of proteins are found in products of plant and animal origin. The most protein-rich foods are meat, 18-20%, fish, 17-22%, cottage cheese, 20-30%, eggs, 13%, and soybeans, 35%. The norm of protein for an adult is 120 grams, of which 65 grams should be protein of animal origin. By age, children 1-3 per annum 55 grams. From 4-6 annual 72. 7-9 per annum 89. 10-12 annum 100. And 13 and 15 annual 106 grams. Nitrogen balance. AA accounts for more than 94.5% of all body nitrogen. Therefore, the general state of AA and protein metabolism can be judged by the nitrogen balance. The difference between the amount of nitrogen supplied with food and the amount of nitrogen excreted. in the composition of urea. In an adult with normal nutrition-nitrogen balance takes place. The amount of nitrogen released is equal to the amount of incoming nitrogen. During the growth period of the body, as well as during recovery from debilitating disease, less nitrogen is excreted than a positive nitrogen balance enters. With aging, starvation, and during debilitation, disease, more nitrogen is excreted than it enters a negative nitrogen balance. Thank you for your attention.